has tucked in so many small, useful, and even incredibly powerful features in iOS and iPhones. Even some long-time iPhone users may have missed knowing these features. In this video, I'm going to show you 13 such lesser known but still super useful iPhone features that you need to know. You'll be surprised if iPhone could even do these. So let's get started. Ever scroll endlessly through your photo library trying to find that one trip picture? Instead of searching manually, your iPhone can actually organize photos based on where you took them. Just open the Photos app, go to the Albums or Collection tab, and then look for Map under Utilities. You will see a map that pins every location where you have taken photos. Tap on a pin and all the photos from that exact spot pop up instantly. If you want to filter out even more, just zoom in on the map and you will start seeing more photos expanding specific to that location. This is amazing for vacations, birthdays, or even just finding that one cafe selfie. Want to know who is calling without even looking at your phone? You can set custom vibrations for specific contacts. Go to the Contacts app, choose the person, tap Edit, then Ringtone, and now you will see an option for vibration. From there, you can even create your own vibration pattern by tapping on the screen. Imagine giving your partner a unique heartbeat vibration, your family a double buzz, and your best friend something funky. You'll know exactly who is calling even if your phone's in your pocket or across the room on silent. Ever taken a photo and later realized it's slightly tilted? There's a hidden feature in the Camera app that helps you take perfectly straight photos every single time. Just go to Settings, Camera, Level, and turn this on. Now, when you're taking a picture from above, say of a food or a flat lay, you will see two crosshair appear. When they align, your phone is perfectly leveled. No more crooked food shots or tilted documents. This is one of those little things that instantly makes your photos look more professional without any editing. Did you know that your iPhone comes with an app called Magnifier, which works like a digital magnifying glass? Just search for Magnifier in Spotlight and open the app. You will see the camera with an option to zoom in and zoom out. The best part is not just the magnifying part. If you open the settings here, you can customize what you want to be open on the screen. I've added the brightness and the flashlight options. So if there is a fine print at a dark place, I can use the app to zoom in, increase brightness, or even turn on the flashlight, all from this UI. Have you been using Camera to zoom in, take a photo, and see something? Try the Magnifier app instead with much more customizable options. Here's a brilliant accessibility feature. Your iPhone can listen for important sounds like a doorbell, baby crying, or a smoke alarm and send you notifications when it hears them. This becomes super useful if you're in a meeting with noise-cancelling headphones on, or even have a HomePod remotely which can listen to sounds and send you alerts. To set this up, go to Settings, Accessibility, Sound and Name Recognition, then toggle it on and choose which sounds you want your iPhone to listen for. There's even a cooler option for you to record a custom sound and your iPhone will listen for that specific sound. For example, my doorbell has a unique sound and my iPhone will start recognizing it once I record and save it. Give it a try. You don't need measuring tape anymore. Open the Measure app on your iPhone, point your camera at an object. Now tap the plus button to mark start and end points, and it calculates distance or height instantly. You can even mark multiple connecting points and it will show you the dimensions of the object like this painting accurately. The best part is you can even snap a picture of it for reference or shopping. I've used this for measuring furniture when shopping, checking suitcase sizes at the airport, or even seeing if a painting would fit on a wall. It's surprisingly accurate, and since it's already built into iOS, it's always right there in your pocket when you need it. One of the smartest features Apple added is live text. Basically, your iPhone can recognize text in photos or even in the camera in real time. Let's say you see a recipe in a magazine, just open the camera app, point it, and then tap on the text to copy all the contents straight into notes or messages. This works in a live camera app or even on photos you have taken previously, which contains some text. You can also look up phone numbers, translate signs when traveling, or copy Wi-Fi passwords written on paper. It's like having Google Lens but built into iOS and integrated into your everyday apps. To enable this, go to Settings, General, Language and Region, Live Text. Once this is on, it'll work everywhere across iOS. Not every photo in your library is meant for everyone's eyes. Apple gives you the option to hide photos in a separate album. Just open the Photos app, select the image, tap the three dots and choose Hide. It goes into a hidden album which you can find under Utilities later. And here's the best part. Starting from iOS 16, the hidden album is Face ID or Touch ID protected. So even if someone has your phone, they cannot open it without your permission. This makes it a simple but effective privacy feature for personal or sensitive images. We have all had family and friends who ask for Wi-Fi password. Instead of typing it out or reading some complicated mix of letters and numbers, you can instantly share it. If you're using an Apple device, just make sure both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are turned on, and when they try to connect to your Wi-Fi network, your iPhone will pop up a message asking if you want to share the password. Now tap Share Password and they're connected. No typing needed. No need to share your password too. If you want to see or copy your saved Wi-Fi password, go to Settings, Wi-Fi, tap the eye icon next to the network, and you will get the password. Authenticate with Face ID and you can copy and paste it anywhere. This one is a serious time saver. Imagine typing your email address or home address or a common phrase in just seconds. Go to Settings, General, Keyboard, Text Replacement. Here you can create shortcuts like typing @ to automatically expand into your full email address, or address to turn it into your home address. You can even make fun ones like OMW, turning it into On My Way. Once you set it up, it works everywhere across your iPhone, Notes, Safari, Messages, email, you name it. It's one of those hidden productivity hacks that makes everyday typing so much faster. This is a fresh addition. You can now create multiple browsing profiles in Safari like work and personal. Each profile has its own tabs, history and extensions. Go to Settings, Safari, Profiles to set it up. During the day, you can stay focused with your work tabs, then switch to a clean, distraction-free profile for personal browsing at night. If you're worried about safety when heading home late or traveling alone, Apple's check-in feature in Messages is perfect. Check-in lets your family and friends know that you're safe when traveling or in a certain period of time, or even during a workout. If you go to a Contacts iMessage, tap on the plus icon, scroll down and select Check-in. This will create a check-in message. You can see a timer and an edit option. When you tap Edit, there are 3 options to notify your friend you're safe. First, when you reach a specific location. Second is based on a timer. And third, after a workout. For example, if you select destination, it will notify your friend when you arrive at a certain destination. Timer is where you set a timer and your iPhone will prompt you at the end of the timer, and if you don't respond to it, it will notify to your friend about it. If you don't respond or arrive at a specific time, your iPhone can share your live location, battery level, and network status with them. A workout check-in will notify your friend after you have ended your workout. Try it out. It's a feature that could be a literal lifesaver. This feature feels straight out of the future. When someone leaves you a voicemail, you can actually see it transcribed live on your screen while they're still talking. If it's important, you can pick up mid message, and if it's a spam, just ignore it. This feature is automatically enabled in Phones app on your latest iOS versions, and it makes handling calls so much smarter. And that's it. 13 iPhone tips and tricks that you can start using today. From boosting productivity to keeping you safe, these features are the kind that make your iPhone feel brand new all over again. If you learned something new, hit that like button, subscribe for more iPhone and tech tips, and tell me in the comments which of these 13 tricks that you will try using first. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. This is Anjana. Bye-bye.